Hello everyone. So this is Jishan from Invent Model Technology Solution, and today we will learn about the installation and implementation of JDBC and Java. And in previous lecture we have also discussed about the what is JDBC and how many types we can implement and what are the key points. Okay. So today we will discuss about the implementation of JDBC and what are these software we need to install for the JDBC setup. Okay. So after all, we will discuss about the previous session. Okay. So let's recall the previous session. So first topic is class. So what is class in Java? Yeah, yeah, of course. A class is a blueprint of any object. Okay. You can say it is a structure of any object. Okay. And it contains different types of property like method, variables. Okay. And objects. And now we will discuss about what is object in Java. You know what is object in Java? Okay. An object is a real-time entity of any class which have a state and behavior. Okay. It is called object. So now let's move to the keywords. What are the keywords in Java? Yeah, I think 59, 58 keywords are already present in Java. And keywords are like just a word, okay? We can say that this, super, these are the predefined keyword, but it means every keyword has a specific meaning and has a specific property, okay? Like if you are using this, it means it contains the current class properties, okay? And it refers the current class object. And for super, it refers the parent class property, okay? Similarly, different types of keyword are predefined in Java, like array list already a predefined class in Java. But we can say that keywords are like just this, super, if, else, for loop, and switch, break, and extends, implements, class, super, and public, private, protected, default. These are the predefined keyword in Java. So now let's move to the OOPS concept. So the first topic of the OOPS concept is inheritance in Java. So what is inheritance in Java? Yeah, inheritance is just like a process by which we can extend the parent class property in our child class. Yeah. And okay, let's tell me how many types of inheritance are supported in Java. Yeah, correct. Three types of inheritance are supported in Java with the help of classes. Which type? Single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. And what types of inheritance are not supported in Java? Yeah, multiple and hybrid. So this process is called inheritance, and we have also discussed about the how many types of inheritance. And one thing is that we can implement the multiple and hybrid inheritance with the help of, yeah, you are correct, interfaces. Okay. So now let's move to the next topic, polymorphism in Java. So what is polymorphism in Java? So we can say that according to this word, polymorphism means we can do a single task in different way. Poly means many and morph means form. So this process is called Polymorphism in Java. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. What is abstraction in Java? Okay, let's just tell me why we use abstraction in Java. Yeah, just for security purpose and different types of benefits. Okay, and abstraction is also called the hide the implementation details from the user and showing only the highlighted details like which is necessary for the user, and user don't have the backend operations, don't have any knowledge about the backend operation. Okay, so this process is called abstraction in Java. So let's move to the next topic. What is encapsulation in Java? You know what is encapsulation in Java? Encapsulation means wrap the code and data into a single unit. So this process is called encapsulation. Okay, we will discuss about the implementation when we use the any encapsulation variable. Okay, in our future projects. Okay, and we have also discussed about the how we can implement this, how we can create this. Okay, using getter setter. Yeah, we have already discussed about this. So now let's discuss about the exception handling in Java. What is exception handling in Java? So the basic thing is that we can say that exception handling is the process by which we can handle the uh, different types of exception which can occur during the execution of the program. Okay. So this process is called exception handling because here we are handling the exception which can occur during the execution of the program. And we can use the try catch block for handle the exception. Okay. And for throwing any exception, you can use throw and throw keyword. Okay. Throws and throws. Throw. So this is called exception handling in Java. So now let's move to the multi-threading in Java. What is multi-threading in Java? Multi-threading it means we can perform the multiple tasks simultaneously, and we can save the time of execution. Okay, so this process is called multi-threading, and we can extend the and we can say that we can enhance the power of the CPU. Okay, and now let's move to the collection framework in Java. What is collection framework in Java? Yeah, collection framework is just like API and it contains different types of data structure inside this, and we can directly use like list, set, map, queue. Map is not, we can say that map is not a part of collection framework, but we can say it is a data structure and similar to other interfaces, okay, like list, set, queue. So let's tell me how many classes are implemented in list. Okay, array list, linked list, and queue, sorry, stack and vector. Yeah. And stack and vector are the, we can say that these are the legacy classes in Java. Okay. And I think it is found in 1.9 and I think 2%. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic. What is set interface and how many classes are implemented in Java? Sorry, in set, and how we can implement the set interface inside our class, like link has set, tree set. Okay, so these are the predefined classes in has set, and we can directly implement the has set interface inside our class, and this is used to for different types of data structure, like list is just like a list type, and set we can enter the value using these properties. Okay, sets property. Okay, and similar for queue. Queue is also interface in Java. We have also discussed about this and its classes. And map is also a interface in Java, and it is not a part of a collection framework, and it contains the data into using the key value pair, and we can set the data using the key value pair, not a single value. Okay, and we have also discussed about the its classes: tree map, has map, linked has map. Okay, and now let's discuss about the inner classes and generics. In previous lecture, we have also discussed about the inner classes and generics. So what are the inner classes in Java? Yeah, inner classes in Java is just like we can say that if you write any class inside the inside outer class, then this is called inner class, and we can extend all the property and method of the outer class inside the inner class. So we don't need to create any private class. So this is the better way for the developers to create any other uh, operations inside another class. So we can write the another logic inside our outer class and create a new another class, and you can write the logic inside the inner class which is present in the outer class. So this is called inner class. So just tell me what is generics in Java. Yeah, generics is used for type safety purpose. Like if you are using generics, like you are creating any class and you using like any variable name, and when you create your object of your class, then you can define your data types. Okay, like the constructor body. Okay, so this is the benefits of generics and inner class. So now let's discuss about the JDBC. What is JDBC? So we can say that JDBC is predefined, and we can say that API. Why with the help of JDBC we can directly implement the Java database connectivity inside our Java code, and we can directly communicate with the database. And we can say that not directly, but we are using a driver class for the communicate to the database. You can say that, yeah, this is the diagram by which we can assume like this is our application. Your user can interact with this application, and the developer is created a logic using the JDBC API, and then the JDBC API contact to the and communicate to the JDBC driver managers. Okay, so the drivers can interact with each other, like SQL server to JDBC driver, and Oracle to JDBC driver, and ODBC data source to JDBC drivers. It means every database has unique JDBC driver. Okay, so it means if you are using SQL, then you want to add a SQL driver, and if you are using Oracle, then you need to add a Oracle driver. Okay, so this is your previous assignment. Okay, just wait. We will implement it. Okay, today we will discuss about the connection of the SQL. Okay. These are the key points. We have already discussed about this, and these are, I think, six key points which is necessary for creating any connection of JDBC. Okay, so here is the brief overview of how it works. Okay, and here you can see this is the code of uh, JDBC, and you can implement the JDBC using this. Here you can create any class and then create any method, sorry, main method, which is the entry point in Java. So before this, we can say that it can provide any types of exception. So it is the better way to use the try catch block. So with the help, we can directly handle the exception which can occur during the execution of this program and connection. So that's why we are using the try catch block. Okay. So inside the try block, you need to loading the JDBC driver using the class.forName. Class is the predefined class and forName is the method. So inside this, you can write your driver URL. Okay. And then connection. Connection is the predefined interface in Java, and driver manager is the predefined class in Java, and dot get connection. It is the predefined method in Java for get the connection. And here you can pass your localhost URL, and here you can pass your username and here password. So with the help of this, you can establishing the connection. Okay. So now you need to create a statement using the statement and prepare statement interface. Sorry, class. Okay. Because prepare statement is we can say that it is the old way. So and some difficulty we can face. So the better way is to use the statement. Okay. So here you can creating a statement and loading the JDBC driver and then executing your query. Okay. Here you can execute any query. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, this line is not completed. Sorry for that. So here you can executing query where which is you want, like execute any query like select a star from and create table. So this is the query, this type of query you can write inside this using result set. Okay, and here you can get your data which is present in the table. Okay, and then you need to close your connections like for this result set and statement and also connection. Okay, so this is the process by which we can establish the connection between the SQL and the Java. So before this, we will need to download the JDBC driver. Okay, we can say that connector and MySQL also. Okay, so I have already downloaded the MySQL and wait a minute. If you want to download the SQL, then here you can type MySQL download. Okay, just click on this and MySQL community, and here you can download your MySQL according to you. Okay, or if you want to download any workbench, then you can need this. And if you want to download the MySQL installer for Windows, you can directly click on this. So I have already downloaded. You can see here is already present MySQL command line. Okay, so you just click on this, and here is your system configuration, and directly click on this like this, and here. Now here you can see if you are saved, Now here you can see it is downloading, but we have already downloaded. Okay, and one thing more, you need to download the JDBC connector. Sorry, MySQL connector. Just click on this Java 2s, and now here you can download the zip. Here you can see I have already downloaded jar files, and already I have extracted. So you can directly download from here. And here you can see if you are extracting your jar files. Wait a minute. Yeah, here you can see I have already downloaded this. Okay, and now let's open the Eclipse IDE. Wait a minute. Yeah, so just open it. Wait a minute. It's opening. Yeah. Now here you can create a new Java project. Project name is day 21. Okay, finish it. Okay, 21. Now first of all, right click on it and go to build path, configuration build path, click on library, click on module path, click on add external jar file, and here you can find your MySQL connector. Click on this and open it, then apply and close. Now here you can see your connector is present into your project. Now here you can create your new package. Package name is JDBC connection. And now create a new class inside this class, main class, JDBC. Finish it. And now here you can see that your class is already created. And here is the main method. Now let's move to the implementation of JDBC. First of all, just open the CMD like MySQL command line. Okay, here you can see. Just close this. Type your password here. Now here you can see. So here you can write the code for the databases. So databases. Here you can see these are the predefined databases. So now let's use the Jishan. Use Jishan. Okay. Database change. Now let's see how many tables are present in the Jishan database. So tables. Here you can see two tables are present in the Jishan database, company and invent. Let's check what type of data are present in the invent model tables. Okay, select star from invent. Yeah, here you can see one data is present. There is three types of variable: ID, name, and city. So the data is ID is 2, name is Ishan, and city is Wonderland. Okay. So now we are using the Jishan database. Let's jump to the code. And here you can pass your string URL. Just wait. Similar for string name. Similar for password. String pass. Okay. So password is root and username is also root. And now let's see what type of URL we can use. So here you can see this is the URL. Okay, just copy it, paste here. Okay, now we have already describe and create a variable for the URL name and password. So now let's see. We need a connection and statement. Okay, let's see. Connection goes to driver manager dot get. Just implement it. Get connection. What is the problem here? Here you can pass the URL, comma name, password. Now let's see. Add required surround with try catch. Yeah. Now here you can see. Now we need to create a statement. Okay, like this. Statement. Statement. Dot create statement. Just import it. Okay. Now we need to create our query name. what type of query we need to execute using the result set. Okay, result set. Here you can pass your query like create, wait, table. Table name is invent, invent model. Just create the parameter of the invent model table like ID, primary key, comma, name, varchar 100, comma, city, varchar. So if you have any problem related to the SQL query, then you can visit the SQL lecture, okay, of this channel. So here you can pause the 100, and now you need to fetch the data. Just a minute. Here you can write a message system.out println. Here you can write a message. Data is inserted and table is also created successfully. Now let's see. Okay, wait. URL create. Yeah, we need an where is employee? Yeah, we need to assign, yeah, this line. Okay, not this. We need this. Just copy it. Change the database name. We are using Zishan, and we need to create for class like this. You can just copy it. And now here you can create class.for name. What is the problem? Control S. Okay, class. Just copy this line only. So here you can pass class.for name, and here you can pass your string like URL. And now here you can pass the throw, okay. It can throw any exception. Now let's run this. Cannot issue data manipulation statement with execute query. Create table, invent model, ID. Okay, just copy it. Go to browser, paste here. Okay, open chat GPT. And now let's see what is the problem. Execute query. Select star from. Just wait. Just copy our code and paste here and write this. This is my code. Okay. Create table. Okay, okay. We need to add like this. It means you need to create a specific and independent string. Okay. So, okay, no problem. Just create here. Here you can pass direct SQL. Now just run. Again, we are facing an issue. Execute query. Okay, statement dot execute. Okay, just wait a minute. Yeah, you can see data is inserted and table is also created. So you can see here, if you are using this line, you are facing an issue because here we need to create an SQL command like query, okay? Because we are using execute query, not the execute. So that is the main reason. So let's see one more thing. If you are using here execute only, so you can see inside the result set to boolean, okay? Now let's see. Okay. So if you are using result set, then because I think this property is not present inside the result set class, so that is the main reason it is not working and not execute. And now here you can create, see, wait a minute, just save it. And now here you, wait a minute, invent model already, okay. Because it is already present, that's the main reason it is not executed. Let's comment this code now. Okay, first of all, let's see invent model is present or not inside the Jishan database. Okay, so create the code for sort tables. Yeah, now here you can see invent model is already pretty. Okay, let's see the table details of the invent model like cell line, star from invent model. It is empty. Oh, now let's insert the data inside this. Alter table name, and here you can pause your data like one. Here, Jishan. Here, Noida. Now let's see it is executed or not. Okay, check the MySQL version syntax nearby Jishan one. Okay, now jump to the and let's see it is empty. You know what is the error inside this? Because this is the wrong way to insert, sorry, update any table. Okay, so let's jump and now paste here. Now let's see what is the output. Here you can see, yeah, this is the way how you can insert the data inside this. Okay, so you can use this and now you can see, just save it. Yeah, now you can see data is inserted successfully. Let's check. Yeah, here you can see one Jishan Noida. It is present in Java. Sorry, table. So you can see this is the way by which we can implement the JDBC inside our code. We need to create only the 5 and 6 commands. And here you can also close the connections like for connection and dot close, sorry, close and statement dot close. It is a better way because it can occur during the, sorry, it can occur at any type of exception and error. So it is the better way if you are using close method. You can see duplicate entry. So if you are using here auto increment, let's check how we can use the auto increment. We can use auto increment for the ID. Now let's check. Yeah, you need to auto increment keyword. Okay, let's create a new. Here you can see command C, command T, sorry, statement dot execute. Here you can pass this. And wait a minute, close. Just use this, copy. And here you can write the code for new table. Name which invent model. Okay, before this you need to just comment it, and you can drop the table just using this. Drop table, table name, invent model. Just check. Wait a minute. Now let's see table is present or not. Yeah, you can see table is deleted. Now let's jump to our, and here you can see insert data, and just comment this line. Error insert semicolon to complete statement. Just wait a minute, let's see. Okay, it is not present. Okay, here is the problem. Invent model doesn't exist. Create table invent model. It is successfully created. Let's check. Yeah, it is empty now. Okay, just insert the data, comment it. Okay, now just check it. Here you can see data is present. And if you are using here space, just run it. And now just, okay, again run it. Now just check. Yeah, here you can see from the 4 of the ID, you can see 5 is automatically calculated and data is inserted. So with the help of these steps, you can create the connection between the database and the Java code. Okay. So here you can see. So guys, let's finish it. And if you have any query related to this code, You can comment it and directly ask to me if you're facing any problem regarding this code. Okay, and let's jump to the, yeah, here you can see, and this is your, yeah, this is your assignment. Write a program. You can delete the data into the table using JDBC. Okay, this is your assignment. I'll check it tomorrow. And guys, I think you are enjoying the video. And today the video is already have taken too much time. So just finish it. So thank you guys for your attention. If you have any query related to this, and you can directly comment it. Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you.